Module 1, Section 9, Objective 1. This is putting it all together. So Objective 1 is to understand the difference between expressions and equations. Now this whole page is a lot of words explaining how math and English are a lot alike. Okay, so English sentences and math equations are similar, and English phrases and math expressions are similar. Okay, so an expression is the same as a phrase, and an equation is the same as a sentence. This is what they're saying. Okay, so if you think of what you read in math as an English sentence, it may help you. Okay, so for example, 3 plus 5. That doesn't mean much, but if down here I said 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 3 plus 5, or the sum of 3 and 5, that's a phrase. The sum of 3 and 5 is equal to 8 is a sentence. Okay, so that's the important difference, is a phrase is only partial and a sentence is a complete sentence. An expression is only partial, but an equation is complete. Okay, and we've talked about this before. The difference, the big difference, is that equations have equal signs and expressions don't. Okay, so that's the easiest way of figuring them out. Okay, so an expression, by definition, is a combination of numbers using add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Okay, an equation is two expressions equal to each other. Okay, so this is where the equal sign comes in. Now I said two expressions equal to each other, so let's look back up here. That means 3 plus 5 is an expression, which we know, but 8 is also an expression, and that's true. A single number is an expression. So this definition of expression is a combination of numbers using add, subtract, multiply, and divide, technically, or a single number. Okay, but that one's not used as often. It's usually a combination of numbers using add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So with those last definitions in mind, basically, you're looking for equal signs. If they have an equal sign, it is an equation. Okay, so we have an equation right here, and here, here, sorry for the messy writing, and here. None of the others have an equal sign, so none of the others are considered to be equations. They're just expressions. Okay, and because I'm being lazy, I'm just going to write it this way. Okay, and if you look at C, there's a typo. There is one part of the parentheses, but there should be another part someplace. So I'm just going to throw it in so that it finishes the problem up. Maybe right there or something. Okay, but yeah, you can't have one without the other.